Hey foodies, today I'm gonna show you everyone's favorite food to snack on, which is also very popular and comforting Indian street food, that is Aloo Tikkis. This is a very simple recipe to follow, yet the taste of it is extremely delicious with that crisp outside and mildly flavorful soft inside. And this is a real treat to our taste buds. So let's get started. To prepare these yummy and crispiest Aloo Tikkis, here I've taken 6 big potatoes which I've boiled and kept in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. You can even boil a day before and keep it in the fridge. This helps in removing the excess moisture from the potatoes, and due to which your Aloo Tikkis will turn super crispy. So very important tip, never use freshly boiled potatoes for Aloo Tikkis. Here I've grated these potatoes for even binding and mixing of the masalas, and because of this the tikkis will also turn quite crunchy. But if you want, you can mash them also. So now we'll add in all the spices. So in goes some salt, then little black salt just for that extra flavor, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, you can also use red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of dry mango powder or the amchur powder. You can also use lemon juice here, 2 green chillies finely chopped, and some fresh coriander. And now comes the most important ingredient which will make the tikkis very firm for binding as well as very crispy, that is rice flour. So here I'm using 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and along with that I'm using 1 tablespoon of fine semolina or the sooji. This will help in giving nice crispy texture. Now we'll start mixing everything really well with the help of the hands. So today I'm using the combination of this rice flour and sooji, but if you want, you can completely use 3 to 4 tablespoons of rice flour. And if you don't have rice flour handy, then simply crush your regular rice in a mixer to make a coarse powder out of it. And what it does, it takes all the excess moisture from the potatoes, resulting super crispy tikkis. So keep mixing it until it comes to a dough-like consistency, just like this. Now leave this mixture at the room temperature only, just for about 3 to 4 minutes, so that all the excess moisture is taken up by the sooji or the rice flour. And now we'll take a small portion of the mixture, say about 3 to 4 tablespoons, with the help of greased hands, and start rolling it to make a roundel. And after making this roundel, slightly flatten it to form a flat tikkis. You can simply roll it on the clean kitchen platform also to give it an even shape, just like the way I am doing. This will help in giving it nice and uniform shape. You can make your tikkis however you like, big, small, round or ovals. So this one tikki is ready. This is how it looks. You can see it's nice and clean from all the sides. Likewise, we'll prepare all of them. So this entire batch is ready. You can store this in the fridge at this stage in any airtight container. It stays good for 2 days. Next, heat oil for frying over medium flame, and then place these tikkis one by one into this hot oil. So basically you can either deep fry them, shallow fry them, or simply roast them with a teaspoon of oil over a non-stick pan. So today I'm frying these. I'm putting 4 at a time. Let it cook over medium flame on first side for about 2 to 2.5 minutes. And then I'm going to flip it over onto the other side. You can see it's got nice good golden brown color on this side. Similarly, cook the other side as well and keep flipping as desired to make it nice golden brown and crispy on both the sides. So keep frying the tikkis as required. So it's done enough. I'll just show you. It's looking quite beautiful and it's cooked through and fried enough on all the sides with good golden brown edges and lovely color. Do not overcook it and make it dark. I'm going to remove it and serve it hot with some ketchup or chutney on the side. I'll just break one and show you. It's crisp on outside and mildly flavorful, soft inside. So I hope you enjoyed watching this easy Indian recipe. Then like, share and subscribe for more such easy recipes from Kanak's kitchen. I'll see you soon in my another video. Bye bye.